Today I'm going to be making my easy scrambled eggs. I'm starting off with 2 eggs in my bowl. Just going to give that a little whisk just to break them up. I also have 2 tablespoons of regular milk. I'm just going to get that in there just like that. And at this point you can put salt and pepper to season, or you can do it later on when it's on the plate, which I'm going to do. So I just want to get this really well incorporated, get a little bit of air into my eggs. Alright, and now on to our next step. I have a little hot plate here set up. This is basically just like the element that you would see on your stovetop. I've got that there, and I've got my pan already heating. To this, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. Sometimes I use olive, sometimes I use vegetable oil. And then to that, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salted butter. And what I want to do now is I just want to get this all nicely heated up. I want to cover the pan so that it's evenly covered. I'm going to actually turn my heat right off right now because I don't want to burn my scrambled eggs. Okay, that's good. Grab your scrambled eggs and just give them a little whisk just to get that air back into your eggs. Just like that, and then right into your pan. And it's important to note that you do not want to have your pan on a high heat. The egg is actually going to turn brown before it is actually ready. And as I just gently push with my spatula, you can see all of the egg is already starting to cook. I'm going to turn this on a little bit now, and I'm just going to give that a little push. So you don't want to have a high heat going into your egg, okay? And just let it go like that, and you can just flip it any which way you want. Now, what you can do also is you can grab it and just kind of pull it apart a little bit into little chunks, or you can just leave it all in one big chunk if you wish, whatever you like. And these are ready to go. So I'm going to go get my toast ready, I'll get my plate ready, and I'll be back. And we're just going to grab our scrambled eggs, nice and fluffy, yum, and there we go. And then just a nice piece of buttered toast, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt just to finish it off. So there we have it, my easy scrambled eggs. Super, super fast, super yummy. Oh yeah, that's good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.